When asked in public forums what are the top 3 things an investor looks for in fundable startups, many funders will say management, management, and management. Teams matter. They're essential ingredients in a successful startup and the single most cited element in startup investments that go south. As an entrepreneur, you're joining the ranks of the intrepid. You're starting a company that will solve big problems or create value for customers and potentially emerge as one of the successful ones. But as you know, and as you've heard before, statistics still show that 9 out of 10 startups fail. Investors who've been investing in startups for decades, who trace back what got in the way of successful investments, find that the most important thing that comes back in success is team. A startup will succeed only if it has a well-rounded, integrated, and collaborative team. As many will tell you, most experienced funders are unwilling to fund a team that's not experienced, balanced, or connected. The balanced part comes in 2 flavors. Balanced in terms of capacity, skills, focus, background, etc., and assigned responsibility. Our friends at an innovative accelerator called 9 Mile Labs built their program around a trilogy of terms we like, called a hustler, a hacker, and a visionary, to define the key ingredients of a team ready to tackle all elements of growth in a business. Challenges in running a startup come from all sides and all the time. They get in the way of focusing on important opportunities that are out there that need to be capitalized on, and in the right order. If you don't have a capable, focused, collaborative team who are totally in sync with each other, compatible in their operating processes and styles, and in absolute harmony on the vision, mission, culture, and priorities, it's very difficult to scale the incredibly hard mountain that is a startup. Knowing what is important versus urgent, and being a ninja in triaging and prioritizing time, focus, and effort, that's what matters. There are hundreds of tasks that will come up that you and your team will have to accomplish. Those that are important. And there are hundreds more that will arise that look like they need to get addressed and soon. Those that are urgent. One of the most important and difficult tasks of a startup team is deciphering which things are urgent versus important. That's where harmonized, focused executive management shines. Knowing what to focus on and what to let sit for now, so that the things that are important get done. When something that is important becomes urgent, it's often too late. Investors understand that these tasks fall into 3 primary buckets. The first task is to build a product that's great, usable, lovable, and sustainable. The second task is selling and distributing that product to the target customer base. The final task is caring for the vision of the company and bringing to fruition that vision, ensuring that the team, operations, funding, deliverables, budgeting, and marketing run smoothly and on time. If you ask funders, they'll tell you that some of the best technologies and products they've ever seen have failed because a capable, balanced team was not in place to take the company and its vision to success. By the end of this discussion, you should be able to understand why a good team matters, the importance of a co-founder, the characteristics of a great founding team, and additionally, you'll learn about how we think about the hustler, hacker, and visionary framework